What are various categories of mutual funds I can invest in? क्या आप जानते हैं there are over 16 types of debt funds, 12 types of equity funds and a myriad of other mutual fund schemes in India. कमाल है ना? The Indian mutual fund market can be classified into several types based on structure, asset class, investing objectives, specialization and other variables. If you make mutual funds your friends, you can better keep tabs on your money, make more informed decisions and also earn better returns on your investment. But before we jump into how to invest, let's go over different types of mutual funds. Chaliye. When classifying mutual funds in India based on structure, there are three primary categories: open-ended funds, closed-ended funds and interval funds. But when classifying them based on similarity of features, also known as asset class, there are four primary categories: equity funds, debt funds, money market funds and balance funds. You can also classify mutual funds based on your investment goals. आप अपने लक्ष्य के मुताबिक इन कैटेगरीज में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं: ग्रोथ फंड्स, लिक्विड फंड्स, इनकम फंड्स, टैक्स सेविंग फंड्स, फिक्स्ड मैच्योरिटी फंड्स, पेंशन फंड्स, कैपिटल प्रोटेक्शन फंड्स। आप अपने रिस्क के मुताबिक भी फंड चुन सकते हैं। यू कैन चूज बिटवीन हाई, लो एंड मीडियम रिस्क म्यूचुअल फंड्स। पर याद रखिए कि हर म्यूचुअल फंड हर इंसान को नहीं जचेगा। You have to clearly identify your financial goals, investment objectives and risk tolerance before jumping into mutual fund investments. कहते हैं ना?
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.